my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the exact equations or exact differential equations. What is exact differential equations? A differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, where m comma n are functions of x comma y, is said to be exact if there exists a function u of x comma y such that m dx plus n dy is equal to du. For example, the differential equation x dy plus y dx is equal to 0 is exact since x dy plus y dx is equal to derivative of x into y. The following theorems provides an easy method to verify whether the differential equation is exact or not. The necessary theorem. The necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 to be exact is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. The differential equation is said to be exact if if it satisfies the one condition. That condition is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Proof. Suppose m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is exact. Suppose we are considered it is exact. Therefore, m dx plus n dy is equal to du. But what about du? Here du can be written as dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. Hence, here m dx plus n dy is written as dou u by dou x dx plus dou u by dou y dy. Here m dx plus n dy is equal to du. Here du means what? Dou u by dou x dx plus dou u by dou y dy. So we substitute instead of du, that is m dx plus n dy is equal to dou u by dou x dx plus dou u by dou y dy. This implies here capital M is equal to, it is in the form of n dx plus n dy. So here m is comparing these two. Here m is the dou u by dou x and n is dou u by dou y. So we know the m is equal to dou u by dou x. Here m can be differentiated with respect to y, that is written as dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x, and differentiate n with respect to x, that is written as dou n by dou x is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y. Here these two are equal. Dou m by dou y is also equal. Dou m by dou y is also equal to dou n by dou x. Both are same value. What is dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x, and dou n by dou x is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y. Both are same result. Since dou square u by dou y dou x is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y, therefore dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x is called exact. When we say a differential equation is said to be exact if the given differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy, then here dou m by dou y is must be equal to dou n by dou x. Then we say that this is called exact differential equation. Isn't it? Okay. Next, continue the next slide. Now suppose dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Suppose consider, let v be the integral of capital M with respect to x, assuming that y is constant, so that dou v by dou x is must be equal to capital M. And here now we consider dou n by dou x is equal to dou m by dou y. What is dou n by dou y? Dou n by dou x, dou square v by dou by dou x, and dou m by dou y, dou square v by dou x dou y. This implies dou by dou x of n minus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. So here n minus dou v by dou is a function of y alone. Say phi of y, that is, this implies n is equal to dou v by dou y plus phi of y, and this implies m dx plus n dy is equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy plus phi of y dy is equal to derivative of capital V plus psi of y, where psi of y is equal to integration of phi of y dy. Hence m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is exact only. Corollary: if m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is exact, then the general solution is v plus integral of phi of y dy is equal to c, where capital V is equal to integration of m dx y constant and phi of y is equal to n minus dou v by dou y. Note 1. It may be noted that capital N minus dou v by dou y is free of terms containing x, and note 2, the solution can also be obtained by computing v plus integral phi of x dx is equal to c, where v is equal to integration of x constant, v is equal to integration of x constant and n divided into phi of x, n divided. Here phi of x is equal to m minus dou v by dou x only. Okay, continue the next slide. Now procedure to solve the exact equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Observe step 1. Observe dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, and step 2, compute v is equal to integration of y constant m dx. Step 3, compute integral of n minus dou v by dou y into dy, let it be capital B. Step 4, write the general solution as v plus capital B is equal to c. Note, in some books the solution of an exact differential equation can be given as integral of m dx y constant plus integration of terms of n not containing x into dy is equal to c, but it may not provide a correct solution in some typical problems, some typical cases. For example, we have seen some solid examples. Solve x plus 2y minus 3 into dy minus 2x minus y plus 1 into dx is equal to 0. So, solution. The given equation is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, where m is equal to what? Minus of 2x minus y plus 1, and n is equal to x plus 2y minus 3. Now we have to find out dou m by dou y. Differentiate m with respect to y and differentiate n with respect to x. That is dou m by dou y. Here dou m by dou y means that is equal to 1, and dou n by dou x is also equal to 1. both are equal. So dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x means that is exact. So the given differential equation is exact differential equation, and if it is exact, what is the solution? We need to find that solution. Continue the next slide. Hence dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, and the equation is exact. So what is solution here? Solution is v is equal to integration of y constant m dx is equal to integration of y constant, that is minus of 2x minus y plus 1 into dx is equal to minus 2 into integration of x means x square by 2 plus y into integration of dx, that is x, and minus 1 into integration of dx, that is x, that is equal to, now simplifying, minus x square plus xy minus x. Now integration of n minus dou v by dou y into dy. Here n means x plus 2y minus 3 minus x dy, and here n is x plus 2y minus 3 and dou v by dou y is equal to minus x into dy. Now simplifying, 2y minus 3, x gets cancelled, 2y minus 3 into dy, that is equal to y square minus 3y. Hence the general solution is minus x square plus xy minus x plus y square minus 3y is equal to 6. We are adding both v and integral of n minus dou v by dou y into dy. Adding these two values, we get the general solution of the given problem, that is equal to y square plus xy minus x square minus 3y minus x is equal to 6. And another example, we have to do some another examples are there. So we have to see the another example, that is solve dy by dx is equal to x square minus 4xy minus 2y square by 2x square plus 4xy minus y square. Here the given differential equation can be written as x square minus 4xy minus 2y square into dx cross multiply, and minus 2x square plus 4xy minus y square into dy is equal to 0. Now cross multiply the given equation, we can write it as usual below, that is here capital M is equal to, now it is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. M dx, what is m here? Comparing the m dx plus n dy with given equation, here m means m is equal to x square minus 4xy minus 2y square, and n is equal to minus of 2x square minus 4xy plus y square. So now m can be differentiated with respect to y and n can be differentiated with respect to x. So dou m by dou y, what is dou m by dou y? Minus 4x and minus 4y, and dou n by dou x is equal to minus 4x minus 4y, both are same. So therefore dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, hence the equation is exact. If it is exact, so what is the general solution? To find out the general solution of the exact differential equation, that is written as v is equal to integration of y constant m dx, and that is first we need to find v is equal to integration of y constant m dx, that is x square minus 4xy minus 2y square into dx. This is m. Now integrating x cube by 3 minus 4y into x square by 2 minus 2y square into x. Now simplifying, we get the x cube by 3 minus 2 gets cancelled, 2x square y minus 2xy square. And find out the next term, that is integral of n minus dou v by dou y into dy. We know the n. What is n here? Minus 2x square minus 4xy plus y square, that is n. And dou v by dou y. Here dou v by dou y, what is the value of dou v by dou y? We know the v. What is v? X cube by 3 minus 2x square y minus 2xy square. So dou v by dou y means that is minus 2x square minus 4xy. And here minus is minus into minus is plus is there. So plus 2x square plus 4xy into dy. Now simplifying, plus 4xy minus 4xy gets cancelled, minus 2x square plus 2x cancel. We have only one term, that is y square, integration of y square dy. Integration of y square into dy is equal to y cube by 3. And the general solution is x cube by 3 minus 2x square y minus 2x y square plus y cube by 3. Now simplifying you get x cube minus 6x square y minus 6x y square plus y cube is equal to 6. This is the solution of the differential equation. Now continue the next slide. That is equal to, the general solution is what? X cube minus 6x square y minus 6x y square plus y cube is equal to k. Now we have to see the another example. Solve y square into e power x y square plus 4x cube into dx plus 2xy into e power xy square minus 3y square into dy. This is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Here m is comparing both these two equations. Both the equations we have to we have the m value, that is m is equal to y square into e power x y square plus 4x cube, and n is equal to x y e power x y square minus 3y square. Now m can be differentiated by y and n can be differentiated with respect to x. Now dou m by dou y. What is dou m by dou y? Here e power x y square into differentiate y square is 2y plus y square into e power x y square into differentiate of x y square, that is 2xy, and this is equal to, now simplifying, 2y into e power x y square into 1 plus xy square, and dou n by dou x is equal to dou n by dou x is equal to, what is n? This is n. So 2y into x into e power x y square into y square plus e power x y square into 1, that is u into v form. We got 2y e power x y square into x y square plus 1. Here both are dou m by dou y is also equal to dou n by dou x. So dou m by dou y is equal to n by dou x means that is the exact solution. Therefore here if it is exact, find the general solution of the differential equation. What is general solution? We need to find the v and integration of n minus dou v by dou into dy. What is v? V is equal to integration of y constant m dx. You know the m value, that is y square into e power xy square plus 4x cube into dx. This is m. Now integrating with respect to x, that is we got y square into integration of e power x y square by y square plus 4 into x power 4 by 4. Now simplifying, y square gets cancelled. We got 4 cancel. We have only e power x y square plus x power 4 only. Now we need to find the integration of n minus dou v by dou y into dy. We know the n value, 2xy e power xy square minus 3y square. This is n. And what is dou v by dou y? We know the v. Dou v by dou y means e power xy square and 2xy, that is minus 2xy e power xy square into dy. Now simplifying, here 2xy e power xy square minus 2xy e power x both are cancelled because that is plus and minus values. We have only one value, that is minus 3y square. Now integrating minus 3y square into dy, that is 3 into minus 3 into y cube by 3, that is equal to 3 gets cancelled, that is equal to minus y cube. Hence the general solution is these two. These two we are called general solution. So e power x y square, e power into e power xy square plus x power 4 minus y cube is equal to 6. Continue the next problem. What is the problem? Previous problem. Solve 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus 1 minus x by y e power x by y dy is equal to 0. This is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to, where m is equal to 1 plus e power x by y and n is equal to 1 minus x by y e power x by y. Now differentiate m with respect to y and differentiate n with respect to x, and we got What is dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y is equal to e power x by y into x minus 1 by y square is equal to minus x into e power x by y square. These are all into words. And dou n by dou x is equal to e power x by y into 1 by y minus of 1 by y into x into e power x by y into 1 by y plus e power x by y. This is equal to x into e power x by y square. Hence the equation is exact. Here we need to find v. V is equal to integration of m dx y constant. That is integration of y constant. M means here 1 plus e power x by y dx is equal to x plus e power x by y by 1 by y is equal to x plus y into e power x by y. We need to find n minus dou v by, we know the v, and dou v by dou y means u will to be formed, and n means, what is n? N is equal to 1 minus x by y e power x by y. Dou v by dou y means u will to be formed, that is e power x by y into x by y minus e power x by y is equal to 0. And hence the general solution is x plus y into e power x by y is equal to c. This is the solution of that problem. And take another example. Solve y into 1 plus x plus cos y into dx plus x plus log x minus x sin y into dy is equal to 0. So given problem is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, where m is equal to y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y, n is equal to x plus log x minus x sin y. Dou m by dou y is equal to 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y, and dou n by dou x is equal to 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. Both are same. So differentiate m with respect to y and differentiate n with respect to x. Here both are same, so we can say that the given differential equation is exact only. What is general solution? We need to find the general solution. So we continue to find the general solution of this problem. Continue the next slide. So we know the v. What is v? V is equal to integration of m dx y constant and integration of y constant into y. What is m here? M means y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y dx. So now integrating y into x plus log x plus x cos y. This is integration of m dx. Integration of m dx. We know the n value and v value. So n minus dou v by dou y. N means x log x minus x and y minus x minus log x plus x and y, and is equal to 0. Hence the general solution is xy plus y log x plus x cos y is equal to 6. Adding these two only. Okay. Now we take another example. Solve x dx plus y dy is equal to x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. Here the equation can be written as m dx plus n dy form. Here x plus y by x square plus y square into dx plus y minus x square plus y square y minus x by x square plus y square into dy is equal to 0. Here what is m here? Comparing the general form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 with the given equation. Here m is equal to x plus y by x square plus y square and n is equal to y minus x by x square plus y square. Now differentiate m with respect to y and differentiate n with respect to x. Then we got dou m by dou y is equal to x square plus y square into 1 minus y into 2y by x square plus y square whole square is equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square. Dou n by dou x is equal to dou n by dou x is equal to minus of x square plus y square into 1 minus x into 2x by x square plus y square whole square. Here now simplifying minus of x square plus y square minus 2x square by x square plus y square, and this is equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square. Hence the equation is exact because dou m by dou y is must be equal to dou n by dou x. Both are same. Now here v is equal, we need to find general solution of the given dE, that is v is equal integration of m dx, y constant. Here integration of y constant x plus y by x square plus y square dx is the m value. Now integrating x square by 2 plus integration of y by x square plus y square dx is written as y into 1 by y, that is integration of 1 by x square plus and a square dx means it is 1 by tan inverse x by a, that is written as 1 by y into tan inverse x by y is equal to x square by 2 plus tan inverse x by y. Y gets cancelled. We know we need to find the integration of n minus dou v by dou y into dy. So integration of, we know the n value, integration of y minus x by x square plus y square, that is n, plus dou v by dou y means x by x square plus y square into dy is equal to we got plus here plus and minus values are cancelled, we have only y value, that is integration of y dy is equal to y square by 2. Continue the next slide. Hence the general solution is x square by 2 plus tan inverse x by y plus y square by 2 is equal to c, or similarly we can write as x square plus y square plus 2 tan inverse x by y is equal to k. Solve, we have seen another example, solve y sin 2x dx minus y square plus cos square x into dy is equal to 0. What is given? Comparing with the general form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 with the given equation, we have only m is equal to y sin 2x and n is equal to minus of y square plus cos square x. So what is dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y is equal to sin dx and dou n by dou x is equal to minus 2 cos x minus sin x, that is written as 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin dx. Hence here both are equal. Dou m by dou y is also equal to dou n by dou nx. Both are equal. So then it is called exact. If it is exact, what is general solution? We need to find v and n minus dou v by dou y. So what is v? Here v is equal to integration of m dx, that is equal to integration of y sin 2x dx, that is equal to integration of sin 2x means cos minus cos 2x by 2, that is minus y into cos 2x by 2. So we need to find integration of n minus dou v by dou y. What is n? We know the n minus y square minus cos square x plus 1 by 2 cos 2x, and n is minus y square minus cos square x. Here minus dou v by dou means 1 by 2 cos 2x, and now simplifying we got minus y square minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x, and this now simplifying minus y square minus 1 by 2 by 8. Now integrating minus y cube by 3 minus y by 2. Hence the general solution is minus y by 2 into cos 2x minus y cube by 3 minus y by 2 is equal to here 3y cos 2x plus 2y cube cos 2y cube plus 2y is equal to k. In this example, we take this solution as integration of m dx plus integration of terms of n containing x not containing x into dy. Here y is constant and we get minus y by 2 cos x minus y by 3 is equal to c, which is not correct. Okay, continue the next subscribe. Okay, class is ended. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you everyone.